Hi everyone, today is a great day to learn more about our amazing body. Our body is a complex and fascinating machine that works tirelessly to support our daily activities and well-being. Let's dive into some basic facts about our body. Our body is a unique and complex structure made up of various systems, each performing specific functions. The most important systems are the nervous, circulatory, digestive, and immune systems. The nervous system controls and coordinates all the other systems, while the circulatory system carries oxygen and nutrients to all the body tissues. The digestive system breaks down the food we eat into nutrients that our body can use for energy and growth. The immune system protects our body from harmful pathogens and keeps them at bay. Our body has two ears, one on each side of the head, which help us hear and understand the sounds around us. Our ears are protected by a layer of soft tissue called the earwax, which acts as a cushion and helps to filter debris. Eyes are two small windows into the world, allowing us to see and learn about our surroundings. They are composed of a clear lens, which focuses light onto the retina, where the light is converted into electrical signals that travel to the brain. The brain processes these signals into images we see. Our skin, the largest organ in our body, not only serves as a barrier to protect us from the outside world, but also regulates our body's temperature and helps to sense touch, pressure, and temperature. Lastly, let's not forget about our emotions, which play a crucial role in our daily lives. Our emotions help us to react to various situations, determine our mood, and even influence our behavior. It is essential to learn to manage our emotions for a healthy and balanced life. In conclusion, our body is a remarkable structure with many intricate systems working together to support our well-being. Understanding and appreciating our body can help us to lead a healthier and happier life.